was a lady, Molly, who lived near the forest with her children. With time, she grew old and clumsy. Molly was unable to do any house chores. Her children were angry and often shouted at her and called her a burden for the family. They taunted her for the clumsiness. Molly was very sad at their rude behavior, so one day she left her house and decided to spend her remaining life all alone in the forest. One day she quietly left her house and started to live in an old abandoned hut. She made a bed of tree leaves and fed herself on the wild fruits and berries. One day she fell ill and couldn't go outside to pick up fruits for her. She was starving with hunger. She cried loudly and complained to God about her helplessness in that lonely forest. Suddenly, she heard someone moaning and whimpering outside her hut. She was surprised who it could be in that deserted forest. She was shivering with fever and feebleness, but she girded up courage and stumbled towards the door to see the weeping person. To her surprise, there was an ugly elderly woman whose foot was injured and bleeding. Aunt Molly felt sorry for her and helped her to come inside the hut. She washed her feet and ripped a piece of her old gown from the hem and tied it on her wound with her feverish and trembling hands. As soon as she finished dressing her wound, the old lady turned into a beautiful fairy. Aunt Molly gasped in wonder and asked the fairy who she was. The fairy smiled sweetly and thanked her for her kind heart and replied that when Aunt Molly was complaining to God, she was hovering over the hut, so she decided to test Aunt Molly and turned herself into an ugly and injured old woman. But Aunt Molly helped the fairy when she herself needed some help. Her kindness moved the fairy a lot, so she agreed to grant Aunt Molly's wish to make her a young girl. The fairy whispered some words and waved her magical wand towards Aunt Molly. In a flash of light, Aunt Molly turned into a young, beautiful girl wearing a fine gown. Molly's face glistened with happiness and gratitude. Before leaving the hut, the fairy told her that she would remain young until she was kind to other human beings. Molly promised the fairy to be kind and helpful as long as she was alive. Moral: a good deed is always rewarded.
Chintu TV. Keep watching Chintu TV. Like, share and subscribe our channel.